Make sure the waveguide is in right position. Screw up the waveguide using connector. Connect the BNC cable to the slotted line and probe detector. Connect the BNC cable to the slotted line and probe detector. Switch on the console power. Move the slotted line to right. Adjust the attenuator to get 4 mA. Make sure the waveguide is in right position.
First, I'm gonna show you the equipment needed for this experiment. First equipment used is oscillator, attenuator, cavity resonator, attenuator for load, detector, and resistive terminator. All this equipment must be set up correctly based on the diagram. Next, student must set the micrometer position of the cavity wave meter to a reading greater than 21 mm. Set the angle for both attenuator to approximately 20 degree. Turn on the console power switch. Adjust the vein penetration of detector attenuator to give meter reading of 4 mA. Next, turn the wave meter micrometer thimble very slowly to move the plunger. Observe the meter reading and search for a position where a sharp dip in the current reading is obtained. Record the micrometer reading and determine the frequency of microwave source using the calibration curve.
Before we start, I want to show you the equipment that used in this experiment. Oscillator, attenuator, horn antenna for transmitter, horn antenna for receiver, detector, and resistive terminator. First, adjust the attenuator angle to 40 degree and then on the power on console. Adjust the attenuator or the detector sensitivity to get a reading of 2 mA on the scale. After that, measure 10 cm using a ruler between horn antenna for transmitter and horn antenna for receiver. First, at 0 degree position, the transmitting and receiving horn antenna is at maximum power transfer. Second, adjust the angle of the receiver antenna at 10 degree. Third, adjust the angle of the receiver antenna at 20 degree. Fourth, adjust the angle of the receiver antenna at 30 degree. Fifth, adjust the angle of the receiver antenna at 40 degree. After do the experiment, record the reading for the given angle in table 2.